Mind a shot?
You're shot, dude.
What up, y'all? God damn, it's been a while. Been a while, ain't it?
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
What we got, man? We got the Bacon Club Chalupa combo from Taco Bell. It's got one Club Deluxe
What's that mean?
Chalupa and 2 crunchy beef tacos and a drink for $5.99.
It's expensive.
Expensive?
It's expensive.
Let's see what we got here. Let's go to the 2 tacos.
Good thing I was stimulated yesterday.
Man's World.
Oh, good God.
You want to get yours out?
Yeah. I don't have up it slung across the damn truck. That made some chicken.
Gee.
Oh, God almighty.
Let's go to the damn car wash now.
I mean, we could have took it back to Van's World and ate it, but then it wouldn't have been no good. What we got in here, man? Hey.
Why don't you ask that Google Siri Alexa person?
Her name's Cortana. I call her Kelly.
Hello, Kelly.
The Bacon Chalupa Taco from Taco Bell ingredients.
The Bacon Club Chalupa was a menu item at Taco Bell.
Was?
It was a standard chalupa shell filled with grilled chicken, bacon, ranch dressing, lettuce, shredded cheese, and diced tomatoes.
Chicken?
Well, I guess that's in there.
Yeah, chicken.
Has it got ranch in it?
It's got tomatoes. Yeah, I see some kind of
Concoction? Is it any good?
taste it.
No, I'm good. You trying to give me the Rona?
Yeah, that's good, man.
All right. Oh, I'm going on.
Man's World Reviews.
Yep. Tastes like bacon. Tastes like chicken.
Man,
Tastes like a chalupa.
dude, I like that sauce.
How do?
I'm just not a big chalupa fan. I don't like the big breaded
Flautas?
I don't know what-
Flautas, whatever.
Yeah, I don't know what that is, but
I don't know, man. I kind of like this is of course we are at 10 o'clock in the morning. They probably just heated this mess up.
oh boy, I was fixing to give them bad. You know what?
Oh yeah.
But they got napkins. Well, if you ain't got napkins, God Almighty.
And they were sweet too.
Really nice.
Good morning.
We just give them a review right here on the.
Yeah. You know, you go to some places, they're like, "Can I take your order?" You remember back in the day, McDonald's used to have we're having a great day here at McDonald's. May I take your order? And it's like, we're having a great day here at McDonald's. I'm like, it sounds like it.
The other day I went through and he didn't have when I got the first window, right? McDonald's, he didn't have my order, right? Which is cool. I mean, but the dude didn't say, wasn't nice about it. He's like, we can't keep y'all in the right lane. I'm like, what? You can't keep us in the right lane. We're just driving around, dude.
Oh, you talking about the double lane?
Yeah. So I pulled around. It wasn't my order. So he's like, yeah, we can't keep y'all in the right lane. I was like, but he was a douche about it.
Well,
now, what do you think about the bacon in there? Does it taste like bacon bits?
tastes like imitation bacon.
Yeah.
I mean, which I like. I mean, and you can call it. I'm not mad that they call it chicken bacon.
Well,
'Cause, I mean, unless you put a big slab of bacon in there, that'd be awesome.
well, you know, I was thinking that it was going to have bacon. Yeah, it was going to be bacon bits. But I mean, hell,
It's good.
$5.99 for 2 tacos, a chalupa, and a drink.
It's good.
You can't beat that. Hell, yeah. I wonder how they do that.
I don't know. I do wish I would have got some sauce though. I still didn't want any sauce. Wish I got some fire sauce or something.
Yeah.
You could use a little kick. It's not spicy at all.
You know, if it had the habanero ranch, God, that would have been good.
They still make that stuff? They still come with the nacho fries?
I don't know. Let's find out.
I do love Taco Bell. But ever since we got a Del Taco here in the lovely city where we live in, I do like Del Taco a lot. I like that because you can go in there and you can have a hamburger and a taco if you want. Because they have that Del's burger, double Del, whatever it's called.
Well, I remember back in the day when Del Taco had the taco burger, and all it was taco meat on with melted cheese on a bun.
Yep, they still got that thing too.
Really?
Yeah. Smashing all these tacos. Well, this is not, you know, at Taco Bell, you get what you get at Taco Bell, you know what I'm saying? If you go into Taco Bell expecting some kind of elaborate gourmet taco, you're just not going to get that. You're just going to get a regular taco, because if you wanted something like that, you're going to go in there and you ain't getting nothing gourmet at Taco Bell, so don't go in there with a bunch of expectations.
Yeah. Wonder why we didn't show these nice viewers what the chalupa looked like.
We did, didn't we?
Did we? I know we told them. Could you hold yours up to the camera?
No. I just ate them because I'm hungry.
Please accept my apologies.
I'm hungry. Man, it look like a damn chalupa. You ain't never seen a chalupa?
What is it, chalupa? Isn't a chalupa a tiny boat?
I don't know, is it? What is a chalupa?
According to Wikipedia, Traditional chalupas, as found in Cholula, Puebla, are small, thick, boat-shaped fried masa topped only with salsa, cheese, and shredded lettuce.
That's
It's named
awesome.
after a boat.
Yeah. Thank you, whatever.
Cortana.
Cortana, thank you.
She sounds like the girl from Halo. Where my Microsoft people at? Damn Apple. They should sponsor Van. Don't sponsor me. They should give me one of them free Mac computers.
That'd be cool.
I'd use it definitely editing purposes and musical purposes. Apple is the best. But I ain't getting on Facebook with it.
Why?
Cause I won't mess it up with douche baggagery. You know what I'm saying?
The thing about an Apple product though, it's hard to get a virus in it.
Oh,
Pretty
you
much
get a-
impossible.
Put a virus in it. Corona will get in it. We don't have no cure for it. It affects apples. It's been a tough year, that's for damn sure.
Yeah.
I'm glad it's over.
If y'all have had one of these bacon chalupas,
Yeah.
let us know in the comment section down below. And if there's ever anything new come out that you want us to try,
Excuse me.
just comment. Pretty much answer all the comments.
We're gonna try to get back on a steady some videos, man. But I mean, we did a lot at first because we was quarantined, so we didn't have enough to do.
Yeah.
Knock out like 11 videos in one day or something. We just don't have that luxury anymore. Because my wife was working and your wife was still working. We wasn't doing nothing.
Remember the day Lisa came home and was eating pig's feet?
Yeah.
She
I
said,
do.
why? Why would
not?
you eat pig's feet?
Because nobody else wants to. Now you don't have to. So we will. You know, you ever had bad Taco Bell?
I don't think ever.
I've had Taco Bell that was better than the last Taco Bell I had, but I never had bad Taco Bell. I mean,
$5.99, dude. You get up one morning, you forget to fix your lunch, or you ain't got time. $5.99. Drink, 2 tacos, and a
we're all
chalupa.
black.
This is too much.
Nah.
It's too much.
I could eat 2 more tacos and another chalupa. Not even thinking
You're
about it.
done?
Yeah, I'm done. Amateur.
Inhaled yours. I'm over here savoring.
We wanted to get the damn nacho party pack, but they don't make it anymore, even though they got everything in there to make one. I never understand that.
I think 2 weeks ago they had them though. Cause you know I drove through and
I know
and
damn
asked
good
for
they
it,
had them.
and she said that they didn't make them that early.
Yeah. What time was it? Like 9:30, wasn't it?
Yeah, it wasn't.
Hell, it barely is 10 o'clock now. They made us damn chalupas and chicken bacon chalupas. That was good.
Yeah.
You ain't done yet? Let's go get another one. Let's get
Okay.
let's get 3 more.
Let's do it. Hey y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for watching.
I think we'll have a couple more Taco Bell videos coming up.
I think so too.
Yeah. They're gonna know us by name before it's over with. Hey, calm down, sir. Oh, jeez. Wait a minute. Oh, I think I got. Wait a minute. I got one too.
Did somebody leave their beer bottles outside over there? Every one of them tables got beer bottles on them.
Yeah, that's a club now, or a bar,
Yeah.
bar and grill.
That's crazy.
Yeah, he probably should have cleaned that mess up. This is smoking section. Now y'all have fun. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Did we say bye already?
Bye.
Bye.